Welcome to Watix and welcome to this unboxing video of the three-phase Shelly meters that we just received by post this morning. And here's the little box. It's a white box with a big writing Shelly 3 EM, three-phase meters. As you can see, it's white all around apart from this little label. And let's have a look what's inside. So if we open the box, inside we find the Shelly three-phase meters user guide, which tells us how to install the meters. Inside the box we have current transformers 1, 2 and 3, so the 3 CTs, 100 amp split core CTs and the little three-phase meter, and that's the user guide how to install it and how to connect the meter to the Wi-Fi, which is very important because once the meter is connected to the Wi-Fi, it can be registered online and then start posting data to your Watix energy analytics platform. So let's take out the meter. The meter is quite sleek, it's nice, small. It has an LED here, it has the DIN rail connection here, so it can be connected to the DIN rail. And let's take out one of the CTs and take a look how it is. So the CT is also white, and remember to connect the CTs in the direction of the current as the manual will say. It's quite nice because it has this little port that connects to the meter, plug and play like this, and then you can open the CT's current transformers and clip it around the cable, one of the three-phase cable, and then here you have the meters, the 3 CTs, user guide, and that's your Shelly meter. Once it's connected and it's connected to the Wi-Fi, the next things to do is to go and look at other videos that we will provide on how easy it is to register the meters and have the data posted in real time to your Watix platform. Have a great day from Watix.